nos da problemas.
Pero Fred...
Su estómago ruge.
We're tired.
No,
I'm the frog. Admit it.
Johnny, I just...
How's the spaghetti? Garlicky enough?
You put garlic in this?
All right. You don't like garlic. Whoops. My bad.
It's not that I don't like garlic so much as garlic doesn't like me. Oh, look out! Coming through!
Someone who appreciates me for who I am, and not for someone they hope I'll turn into.
You're right. I'm sorry, Johnny.
Me too.
This is the last of it.
Oh, that's okay. I think I'm done. Oh, maybe not.
Up to you. Thank you. I got you.
Need a hand?
Yes, I do. Thank you. What a beautiful evening in paradise. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you have nails.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That girl needs...
You know what?
Sorry, it's an emergency.
Actually, I might need to step out for just a minute.
I think Simon's house would be more luxurious. But I think Cheryl's house would be a home, you know. What's up? I don't feel so good.
Not going to lie to you, Leanne. It's not ideal to give vital evidence a 90-minute bath. But the important thing is that we've got it.
No, you have to wait until the end of the cycle. There's another 15 minutes on it. Any more?
Es que te vuelvas.